Isa pong pinagpalang Wednesday morning mga katots. At ngayon pong Wednesday morning, ang ating magiging simpleng tanong, are you willing to let go? Okay, letting go. Ang ating pong ebanghelyo, hinango pa rin kay San Lucas, Kabanata 14, mga talata 25 hanggang 33, is all about letting go. Pero not just simply letting go. Letting go because you want to follow Christ. Yun yung maganda dito yung effort equals yung reason. O yung reason pala equals effort. At sana makita natin ito na it is a requirement when it comes to trying to be truly somebody who wants to follow Christ in one's life. Letting go is a must. Hindi maaaring wala kang ile-let go. Sapagkat whether we like it or not, pagka sumunod tayo kay Lord, kanyang values, kanyang iniuutos, ang kanyang kalooban, mapapansin natin, there is always something that will not help us achieve it. Thus, we have to let go. And sometimes it will be very hard. Sa totoo lang, humanly speaking, letting go is not easy. Di ba? Kahit saan naman natin dalhin yan. Ano? Yun ngang namimili ka lamang ng gusto mong bilhin, pero na malaman mo wala kang pera, iiwan mo parang, sayang. Di ba? Nangihinayang tayo. Di lalo na yung mga bagay na ang tingin natin mahalaga. Ang tingin natin gusto natin. Ang tingin natin ay bagay na it helps us be happy. Paano ngayon if these things we need to let go because we need to follow Christ? Possessions, relationships, possessions, hindi lang position, kundi possessions, attitudes, and sometimes even mga beliefs natin na pinangahawakan natin because of our own ability to think. Sometimes these things, we need to learn how to let go. Mga kapatid, is Christ worth it? Yan ang tanong. Because if we see Christ as worth letting go, then we will let go. At siguro doon tayo mas dapat laging nagfo-focus. Maybe at first, hindi natin kayang i-let go agad lahat. But if we try to look at Christ first, learn from Him, create a better relationship with Him or a deeper relationship with Him, and then know how valuable we are to Him, maybe we will discover that He is worth following, and not only worth following, worth letting go even of everything. Di ba? O siya, sige po. Sana marunong na tayong mag-let go. Pero anyways, ganun pa rin. Ang imbitasyon, be cyber missionaries. Evangelize through social media. Like, share po sana. Follow itong ating page, ang ating Instagram at Thought for the Day. YouTube natin, TFTD Blessed and Blessing, at ang ating TikTok at Thought for the Day. Pagbati natin ang happy birthday kina Ernesta Castillo, Rosita Roldan, ng Apostolado ng Panalangin. Gayon na rin kay Princess Nicole Hornadal, kay EJ Byron Briones, kay Tito Rolly Liesay. Love na loves natin yan. Happy birthday, Tito Rolly. Kay Jris Payumo, kay Hilbert Dimaano, kay Nimo Kanaman, kay Princess Yvonne Pielago, kay Nori Karaan, kay Dayan Mangubat, kay Vic Reyna, kay Mart Marciano, kay Brendan Sean Roa. Happy birthday po sa inyong lahat and prayers po sa lahat ng mga nangangailangan ng panalangin para sa recovery ni Brother Noli na taga Malabon, alam ko yung nasa ospital. Ganun na rin para sa kaluluwa ng lahat ng mga yumao pa rin na nagnahingi ng prayers mula sa atin. Siyempre po, paghiling pa rin natin ng prayers para sa kapayapaan sa mga lugar na kung saan may digmaan pa. And of course, if we are willing to let go because we want to follow Christ, ay maraming balik yan. Ano yun? Always be blessed and be a blessing.